it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and welcome back to the 20 Years of Anime project in which we count down to the year 2020 using costumes. Today we're going to be going back to 2002 and making the headdress for Maid Ichigo from Tokyo Mew Mew. For Ichigo's headdress, I took a base headband and then traced around that to create a pattern for the headdress. And we're going to cut it out twice out of white fabric. I'm using some calico that matched the apron, and then we're going to apply some fusible interfacing onto the back of each piece. Fold the bottom edges inward and sew them into place. Putting right sides together, sew the two halves of the headdress together along the inner curve and along the outer triangle edge, leaving the bottoms open so it can be turned right side out. Turn the headdress right side out and press it flat. Then we're going to top stitch all along the zigzagged edge. For the detailing on the headdress, I sewed some pink beads along the edge of the triangles, but you could use decorative thread, you could use ribbon, whatever you prefer. And to secure it onto the head, we're going to take the headband from earlier and just thread it through the fabric. And with that, Maid Ichigo's headdress is done. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!